had this question so many times. Cynthia, what it is that you do? What is this digital marketing that you do? And I'm here to explain it all. So digital marketing is very simple. It's actually promoting products online, either physical or digital products. If it's physical, it's like you're opening an e-commerce store whereby you'll be selling. Example, maybe you're selling clothes. You have a brand, like a clothing brand that you're selling. You're selling clothes. You are selling shoes. You're selling handbags. You're selling makeup. Like that is selling, the e-commerce sector. Then there's this other side of digital products. Digital products are products that you cannot touch. Like for example, this you can touch. You can touch this. I can touch it. I'm touching it. This is a physical product. A digital product is whereby you are selling ebook, like an ebook, like the way you're reading a book from your phone, a software book, that is an ebook, or a course, or a template, or a guide, like the guide that I give people to teach them how to start digital marketing. So it's either you're selling your own product or you become an affiliate for someone else's product. With being an affiliate for someone else's product, you're going to be given a unique affiliate link whereby you're going to promote that affiliate link on all your social media platforms, either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, like everywhere. You're going to be promoting that affiliate link, because when someone joins that program or that course, or when someone buys that product using your own affiliate link, you're going to be paid a commission. When you be paid a commission, that commission is going to come directly into your bank account. Like you're going to insert your bank details. That website, let's say for example, my course and all things that I sell, the digital products that I sell are in Beacons. Beacons is free, though when you make a sale, you're going to be deducted some fees. That is something I have to tell you. So when you make a sale, when a customer buys from your unique affiliate link, you're going to be paid a commission. For me, I do both. I have my own products that I created, and I'm also an affiliate for the Digital Wealth Academy, the DWA, whereby it's a course program that teaches people how to start digital marketing from scratch. Like maybe you are a complete beginner who doesn't know anything, like the way I was. This is the perfect course to start with, because the course has over 130,000 people inside it. Imagine 130,000 people. Actually, this is the largest course program there is for digital marketing that has the most amount of members. And the fact that the members are so many like that, it shows that the course is very good, that people can trust it and people can actually learn from it. And actually, it has benefited so many people inside the course program. The course teaches you step by step on how to start digital marketing, what actually is digital marketing, everything you need to start digital marketing, how to create content, how to make sales, how to build trust with the audience, affiliate marketing, how to set up your website, how to, like, all the things inside that course are needed for someone like you who is a beginner. Or also maybe if you have some little knowledge on how to start digital marketing, also it's a great course for you, because it also shows you more techniques on how to create content, how to make sales from your business, your digital marketing business. So I'm inviting you to join Digital Wealth Academy using the link in my bio. And the good thing is, when you join using my link, you're going to get access to my Telegram group, where I'll be having one-on-one consultation between me and you guys inside the group, where I'll be answering your questions, your concern. Maybe it's something you've not understood in the course program. I'll be there to help you. You're also going to get monthly group calls from me 2 to 3 times minimum a month. I want to actually help you guys to understand the digital marketing sector 2 to 3 times in a month minimum for you guys. You're going to be having calls with you guys. That thing, I'm going to give you 3 of my own done for you products. The done for you products are products that you can, when you purchase through the WA, you're going to get the products, and the products you're going to rebrand. You can rebrand it the way you want to rebrand it, according to your own brand. You can edit it, you can rename it, then you can resell those 3 products however you want. The price that you want is actually up to you, but the products, you can resell it and you can make 100% of the profit. Any profit that you made and that you will make from those 3 products are actually yours. I will not ask you for any money. It is your money. So if you want to get started today, click the link in my bio, join the Digital Wealth Academy, and let me help you make that money online. Thank you.